What's up, guys? Chance again here with Texas Shine Doctor. We got a 2002 Land Rover that's been sitting in a field forever. Hasn't been detailed in God knows when. It's in here for a pretty heavy restoration project. We'll have it for about a month. We're going to be removing seats, carpets, disassembling, acid washing, disinfecting, paint correcting, removing some PPF, and then putting it all back together and making it a gleamy, beautiful pile of machinery. So stick around. These vehicles are super delicate to take apart because they're very old, they're very brittle pieces, a lot of clips, and a couple other people have had their hands on this thing as far as putting systems in it. So we got to be careful around wiring, taping up wire, taping up open ends so no dust gets in there, so when we go to put it back together, all the seats and power switches still work. All right, shiners, definitely not shining yet for Operation Rediscovery. We're moving to the next stage of this project. We're on day 3. We just finished the interior, gutting all the carpets and seats, and hopefully start removing some of the mold and mildew residue. We're gonna move to removing the front bumper, getting the PPF off, restoring the headlights, and hopefully don't remove paint, but if we do, we're gonna vinyl wrap or repaint the hood itself. We'll get into the acid cleaning and then start the paint correction phase. All right, upon new discovery of Operation Rediscovery, the entire reason why we were gonna take the bumper off to start with was to get access to the headlights and removing the PPF off the painted areas. But whenever we were assessing the project, we noticed that there was a bunch of brittle wiring, a bunch of damaged electrical that we didn't really want to disturb or have any part with, because at the end of the day, we are a detail shop. We decided to pull the headlights out, which had this piece that we needed to remove anyways. So we're gonna sand these, we're gonna re-clear them, we're gonna restore them, and then we're gonna reinstall them. All right, we are wrapping up the Operation Rediscovery, AKA the 84-year detail.
84 years.
We had quite a bit of hurdles to get over with this thing as it was sitting in a field for 20 years. We ended up matte wrapping the hood. We ended up having to repaint the grille. I ordered a grille that came from Australia, and it was a 3D printed trash grill, so those are kind of impossible to find, so we had that repaired, repainted, looks like factory. We also had this pretty much fully disassembled. As you can see, we acid washed everything, clayed everything, iron remover, paint correction, put everything back together, and then we ceramic coated it as well. I think overall the results are a 97% difference from what it was. Obviously we can't make it a full show car vehicle because that's not really what it was in here for. It was just more of the restoration detail. So I hope you enjoyed watching the progress of it. If you have any questions or you got a vehicle that you want to bring to us, give us a call or check out our website. Phone number 832-745-3397. Our website is www.texasshinedoc.com.